We can open your present for me, right, Kimmy? What could it be? What could it be? Okay. Here, let's take off the pretty. Mommy will keep this for you, okay? It's very pretty. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Oh, no. Mommy's going to keep that part. I like it. You can do that, too? Oh, what does it do? Good job. Do it again. Ooh. Okay, thank you. I'll take that piece. Do it again. Do it again. Yeah. What's that? It's paper, wrapping paper. And Mom's with the pillow. Hold on. Hold on. Uh-oh. Looky, it's a fishy. You're busy. Fish? Fish? Eyes. Eye.
Papa?
Yeah, baby. A baby on the phone.
Yep.
Oh, you do it? Good job. Good girl, Allie. Boo. Good job. Look at Allie. Look at pretty Allie. Say hi, baby. Yeah, let's do a phone, Mommy. Look at the baby. Oh. Phone? Look at you. Oh, big girl. Boo. Oh. Say thank you, Aunt Cammy. Give kisses. Say mwah. Oh. Kiss. Say mwah. Oh, big girl. You put the hat on all by yourself. Big girl. Kiss. Mwah. Oh, you gonna tickle the dog with it? Say, Aunt Cammy, do you like my outfit today? I look so cute in my gray pants and my purple shirt.
I did that.
Yes, I do. I look so cute. Uh-oh. I'm gonna fall down. Say, okay, Aunt Cammy. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Boo.